Thank you for showing interest in learning Power BI, and you have landed just at the right place because I have got the solution for you. I know learning Power BI can be tough, especially if you are new to it. But don't worry, I have created a course for you that makes it super easy to become Power BI expert in just 5 days. And this is called Fast Track to Power BI, and here's why it is special. We'll begin using Power BI right away on day 1. You will learn how to make the reports, share cool dashboards, and create awesome visuals. But what sets this course apart? Well, it's built on my 12 years of the industry experience. I have added all that knowledge into a thoughtful 5-hour content-packed journey just for you. But that's not all. When you join our Fast Track to Power BI community, you'll get extra support from fellow learners. We are in this together. Plus, you will receive helpful cheat sheets and a Power BI Dex guidebook to make learning even easier. We want you to succeed. And here's the icing on the cake. We offer free 2 days generous money back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, you can get your money back. Don't miss this opportunity. Join our Fast Track to Power BI course today and you will get some additional benefits at the day 5th of this course. You will get Excel and VBA course along with this Fast Track to Power BI. See you in the class.